We're about to install, Nick is about to install. I might help him just a little bit to install the front, the parachute. We got a parachute mount right there from lse9x.com from Michael Page, and we got a parachute itself right here. Oh no, this is the release kit. We got the release kit right here, and the parachute is right here. Oh man, this is so cool. Straw parachute, release kit. Man, this is exciting. The bumper is off. Took the bolts off. Good thing when I took my thing out, I put the bolts back in. Now we took the parachute apart, and we're gonna be drilling this part right here and putting the bolts to match it on this one right here, like this. Right from my, oh wait, now the exhaust part is not gonna work. Oh shit. Wow. Damn. Может быть просто смотри, Ник, вот сюда просто приварить, смотри, Ник. It's okay, that's not too hard to do. Now he drills the hole right here and right here. Make sure it's straight. And that's it. Then we drill a hole in the bumper. Put her in. Make sure the parachute is right, and that's all. But did you see that guy with the freaking red Mustang? 1250 on the stock bottom end, bro.
Yeah, I know. Like, listen, the Gen 460, and I got him over 15 customers. I think I got him 20 customers to get through on Tuesday. For me, only from here and better. Everything.
Well, I mean, it can happen.
It's possible?
Yeah.
You seen that happen before? I've seen a parachute is defective and went up and picked the car up and threw it in the freaking side.
It can happen. Anything can happen. Like that.
Yes, sir.
Make it look on the right side. Slide it in here. That's it. A couple more of these.
Let me get you. Let's see, that's some luck in there. We got stuck in there. Ah, it's not a good hole. On the second side too. It's too much in the floor.
Through here. One.
Может быть сюда чуть подальше его засунем его чуть такое.
It's already done.
Because it's too top. Ah, okay.
This is one. This is two.
How's it going?
Yeah. You got it running already?
You
got it running?
Sorry?
You got it running?
No, not yet. It takes a while. We're just putting everything, whatever we have together. Okay. What's the problem,
Such a bitch to you.
Wow. Every time, huh?
Every time you make a pass.
That's why some people just don't pull it sometimes.
Yeah.
Because they know it's gonna have so much problems. That looks sick though. Wow, bro. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Guys, this looks so amazing, guys. I am so excited right now, man. Oh my gosh, guys. Damn. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Oh man, the fuel system is almost done. The surge tank with the 3 525 pumps, turn on hub switch with the 1 450 feet in it from a stock pump right there. And we are kind of coming close to an end right here, almost. I mean, we're gonna be relocating this to the bottom because it's too close to this Harley headers. So we're gonna have to relocate him on the bottom. We already ordered that kit. I mean, we got fuel pressure regulator right here. We got IAT sensor, fuel pressure regulator, nice one. I mean, this car is coming along real well. Solid mounts for transmission, and we got solid mounts here as well. So the whole car has solid mounts now.